Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Krishna and welcome to my channel Viper Shady Vlogs. Today my intro has changed a little bit because the vlog that I'm trying to bring you will definitely change my life and all the people associating with me, who are riding with me, who are a member of our new club that we're officially going to form today. So guys, if you have watched my previous vlog, like I have uploaded one vlog like a month ago, I'll even give the link to the link of that video in the description as well as in the I button above, okay, in the screen. So at that vlog, like you would be like noticing that we were like taking our first step towards formation of motorcycle club. Today, the 10th of December 2023, we are officially starting as a motorcycle club in Gyeongju in Bhutan, okay, and our club name is Bhutan Pro Rider. We did so many rides since 2021 started, and 2022 was the time we started riding officially. And so finally at 2023, after so much of discussion, after so much of hard work, after so much of coming together, we lost few members. One went for the studies at Canada, one went to India. So the people who went to Canada is the rider, his name is Nima Waiba, we miss you bro. And our Silver Crow 23, Tenzin, I miss you too bro, because he was one of the active member of our club as well, but we were unofficial that time. And so guys, we will take you through Gyeongju town, a short ride, and after that we'll go to Philips 8-9, and then we will officially integrate ourselves. People who wants to start a motorcycle club like us, younger generations, or maybe like, you know, some other people. I hope that you guys also get some idea, because we are doing this on a low budget. It's not sponsored by anyone. So stick with us and so guys, that was just a glimpse. Now we will be forming as Bhutan Pro Rider officially. It's just right here right now. So I'm just going there right now. Okay guys, we are out here officially ready to start as a VPR. Okay.
When riders were gathering, me and 3 riders went to
We are right
bakery.
now at Gyeongju. So this is taxi parking, okay? It's opposite to the taxi parking. So here guys, we have ordered a cake. Let's go and get it. Yo bhai, यो भाइ भाइको नाम के हो? युट्युबको लागि भाइ, युट्युब लागि ल भाइ पनि आउँछ होला युट्युबमा ल. So guys, we are entering towards cake shop. ए ब्रो, ओइ 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 के छ? केक सब कस्तो चल्दैछ ब्रो? अन्त ठिकै छ? Speak in English bro. How is your cake shop going on? राम्रो छ? Okay. Bakery, okay, if you want to give some treat, celebrate your girlfriend's birthday, girlfriend's breakup, any kind of breakup, any kind of celebrations, you can do out here. You will get a special cakes out here. And he just want to click a photo, so we'll do that guys. So you guys just visit out here, whoever watching right now, okay, I hope you guys come. If you're at Gyeongju, don't forget to visit opposite of taxi parking, and we get the best cake out here in here.
We left Treat Bakery towards Phillips 98 for celebration.
Today, officially, we are announcing our motorcycle club as a Bhutan Pro Rider. But we have been riding together since 2021, so this will be official. And today we also wore our motorcycle club t-shirt. It's our t-shirt, the official t-shirt. So I would like to thank every member of BPR and our guest, Pastor Joji, for joining this event. So I would like to give a thank you for my board captain, as well as guests, and all the members, also vice chief, first aids, treasurer, there's a vice surgeon, and there's a vice road captain, and our lead personality.
Especially guys, we have our GTR rider pass on. So while running that without him it wasn't possible, and even the chief stages. So like we have been speaking in all the vlogs today, we would like to give a platform to him because he is the one who helped us become a club. Guys, if you're a problem to us, to the people who are watching right now.
अब मेरोबाट भन्नु पर्यो भने अब के लाग्छ भने अब एउटा टिम हामीले फर्म गर्दैछ एउटा त्यसमा कोअपरेसन चाहियो हैन सबैजनाले एउटाले भनेको अब सुन्दै भने धेरै राम्रो हुन्थ्यो र अझै अघि बढिन्छ र म जिटिआर थ्रुबाट अब म के भन्छु भने जति पनि मेरो एक्सपिरियन्स छ जति पनि अब मेरो नलेज छ राइडिङमा हामी सेयर विथ बीपीआर एन्ड म अब जे कुरामा पनि म बीपीआरलाई चाहिँ अब सँगै तान्नको लागि ट्राई गर्छु जति सक्दो मैले चाहिँ त्यही कारणले चाहिँ अब बीपीआर चाहिँ मेरो अब एउटा फेभरेट प्रोजेक्ट हो जस्तो लाग्छ थ्यांक यू
Message from Canada.
Hi guys, all the DPR members of DPRs. I just want to say that this message goes to you all, or just to you all. I'm very proud too. DPR is formed. We are formed by you. This time we are really doing it well. DPR ma very members so I'm really proud of you all. Big shout out to all the members of DPR, all the friends, and also there are newcomers. Very much welcome. Very good welcome to everybody. Yeah, right now, my mind is always with you all guys. Someday I wish to drive with you all, ride with you all. And big shout out to everybody, all the members of DPR, and of course, famous sir, Pasang, Charge, Raj Bhai, Bijan Raj Bhai, Viper, Narik Bhai, and Sangi Chota Bhai, then Dita Naya Bhai Resa. Please welcome to our DPR. Of course, my message go to you all. That feeling, what might not be enough for me to put you all here in this youth month, but still I want to say you all that my message is clear. Everything is very clear. I love you all. I miss you all guys. Peace out.
Flashback with Nima Rider.
Okay, दाइको नाम चाहिँ के हो?
Nima.
निमा है, निमा राइडर.
आउनु सकेन हिमालय न दाइ आउँछ हेर केटा सर परे हाम्रो बाइक चाहिँ स्पोर्ट भयो नि हैन रेडियल टायर भएर चाहिँ फाइनली यु मेड इट
एकछिन पर्खिने कि रेनकोट लाउँछ दाइहरूले मेरो त रेनकोट पनि छैन हो
Only two riders from from our age,
Okay.
me and the GTR member Pasang,
Okay.
and to be with these young stars, it was fantastic.
मैं हमेशा कहता था कि मैं अपनी जिंदगी की हर एक पल का मजा उठाना चाहता हूँ और मैं सोचता हूँ इसी वजह से हम भाई हैं क्योंकि तुम भी यही सोचते हो
ये कार तुम्हारे लिए
मेरे लिए
Everybody, if you want to have a really adventure, please come to this place.
Okay.
It's really awesome place.
Okay.
Yeah, you guys keep rocking.
So Nimadai, finally we are going towards Pelela and we will hit
Finally done our dream ride to Fujika,
okay
and we are going to Pelela,
Okay.
one of the highest pass in between Tongsa and Wandi.
Wandi, yeah.
So it's extremely going to be a chill ride.
Yeah.
So we're happy. I'm happy. We are happy.
Okay.
Everybody's happy.
Everybody.
I'm really thankful to all our riders
Okay,
who
sir.
have been with me.
Okay.
They supported me when I was really in need. You know,
Okay.
I was going to a lot of mental pressure. Still, then
Okay.
this ride made me alive. You know,
Okay.
this ride made me kind of I have some energy right now.
Yeah, obviously.
because of you, because of this Bhutan Pro Riders.
Okay.
So absolutely, I'll
So-
miss you all, guys.
Okay.
And love, peace, everybody.
Past lives could never hold me down. Lost love is sweeter when it's finally found. Around past lives could never come between.
Enjoy every moment you have, because in life, there are no rewinds, only flashbacks. Make sure it's all worth it.
Some music to end this auspicious day.
This is not it. Shit out of here. Body apple too. Something made of fun. My time like my middle mouth. I'm thinking of the key. Body apple, apple. I'm the day to the toad. Mighty tackle. Having is a shame. Not the metal chain. Sugi baje. I'm not lying, so what I'm gonna what's up? I'm a DD bunny, just a summer man who wants up. He just did the whole party. In the mood to just the Oscar party. He lies just the June her Oscar party. He just did the whole party. In the mood to just the Oscar party. He lies just the June her Oscar party. Here comes Viper Shady, to every female babies, to every man. Since I think I'm going to babies, I'm against the stars, keep raising this verse. Go back, go Janachi. Holla Chayo, holla God, what the holla did. Oh, tomato, this you holla did. Yeah, bounce, all get a bounce, but the policy. Yeah, get the point, पहिला इन्ट्रेस्ट टाउकोमा ले ग्राउन्ड लगा मेरो टाउकोमा ए जसो इच्छा इन्टरनेसनल खान्छु म यसो इच्छा यसको टाउको लाने सेन्डले तेरो पाउ बोला ए तेरो क्रिउ तेरो पाउ बोला ए सेन्डल तेरो पाउ बोला ए
Guys, our new rapper, Road Captain, is going to sing this rap God of by Eminem. So I'm just gonna start a little bit, and he gonna do the rest of the rap. So, bro, you ready for the rap? I'll just start. Just one line, I'll keep one line. Hey, Ben, I'm a kid. So let's come at you. So speed. Okay.
Some lama ke mango do mango iya some din kiri manja di kiri kiri namne namne do nama la di dapat tiga nih ada tiga nih zohar ini.
I would personally like to thank our Nima rider for sponsoring us as well as for being the active member. So I hope that one day he will definitely return to our country, and we hope that we ride together. I miss you, Dai, for being an active member of our club. That I would personally like to thank our GTR member Pasang Dorji, rider of Gelifu Town Motorcycle Club. He's the chief of Gelifu Town Motorcycle Club, you know. So he actually brought us to this stage because we were nothing. He advised us, he gave us, he told us everything that he knew, and he like actually brought us to this stage, to this formation, to this level, and he always supported us. He even sponsored for few things, and thank you, Dai. Thank you so much on the behalf of Bhutan Pro Rider, on behalf of everyone. You know, we are so privileged to have a people like you, because today it's a different day. I just came out to this park and I thought that I would properly end the vlog, because we directly after the inauguration we stopped and we came out. We went home. Our phone was dead. My vlogging kit were dead because it was out of charge. You know, like we had to click so many photos, so many videos. So that because of that, so it is next day I'm so proud, you know, like I don't even know what just happened. I'm just wondering. So guys, thank you so much for joining, and I hope you guys like our vlog.